Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. I am Mohana and I post art videos every week. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and paint a floral illustration. I have listed all my art supplies with links in the description. Feel free to shoot me any questions in the comment section. I taped the sheet so that it's sturdy and I'll start sketching the flower bunch using a pencil. I'm going to make these lines faint so that I can draw the outline freehand using a Fineliner. I'm using a Fineliner of 0.5 mm thickness. I'll outline the illustration first and then give the details to show the depth of the illustration. After giving the outline, erase off the rest of the pencil lines. Now you want to make sure the Fineliner is completely dried out before you're erasing it. I'll start detailing the flower petals. You don't want to add these lines everywhere. Make sure you're adding them where there is a need for shadow. Make sure the lines are freehand and try not to apply any pressure. You can see how a tiny detail could do to an illustration. You might want to practice the detail lines to keep them short and make sure not to add more. It would make the illustration a little clumsy. I'm happy with the details this illustration holds. I'll start adding some watercolors to make this look a little bright. I'm adding the dark shade of pink at the places where we added the shadowed lines to make it look a little natural, and for the rest I'm going to use the baby pink shade. To apply the color, I'm going to use the wet on wet technique, wherein you're going to wet the paper first and then add in the wet color from the brush. Using this technique, you can easily add the colors wherever required and also blend them properly. Using watercolors, you can blend any shades from any saturation and it gives an amazing finish when it is completely dried out. In the same way, I'm going to fill in all the flowers. For the leaves, I'm going to use two shades of green here. One is olive green and a sap green. That's it, we are done. If you try to recreate this painting, do tag me on Instagram at @mohana's_design. I would love to see them. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can support me by liking and sharing this video, and subscribe so that you won't be missing out on any videos I'll be posting from now on. I hope you have a great day. Bye.